From fine dining to a quick snack on the slopes and even kid-conscious food varieties, they're all available during your next ski adventure.
Craig Coffey and Keystone with more on their efforts to make your dining experience unforgettable for the entire family.
Good morning, guys. What a morning, too, it is. Back here once again in Keystone for our Winter Wonderland High Country series going on. And we're talking more now about the dining because you might not know this, but Keystone, known for their exquisite dining. With us right now, this is Executive Chef David Scott. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thank you. And tell us, first of all, we're here in this amazing place. This is the Alpenglow Stube. This is the highest restaurant, fine dining, in North America.
That is correct. And we're at 11,444 feet.
Wow. That's amazing.
It really is. And the food that we do here is amazing as well.
Also in this area, you have a fondue restaurant, too.
We do.
Tell us about some more of the restaurants here around Keystone.
You know, in Keystone, we have many fine dining restaurants. We have the Ranch, which is known for the culinary expertise. The Ski Tip, which is another fine dining restaurant. The Keystone Lodge, which is a hotel and also has a fantastic restaurant in it.
Okay, the Ski Tip, I've heard, by the way, a fantastic sommelier, right?
For sure.
For sure. And that wine tasting, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
What's the trick to that? Do you know?
You know, lots of years of practice and training your palate.
Lots of this, right?
Yeah, you got it. Sounds like a great job to me.
Hey, yeah, I'll try it. Okay. So tell us now about what you do, the Alpenglow Stube here. You're the executive chef. You work out of here, right?
I do, and I'm the executive chef of Mountain Dining at Keystone.
The whole property.
So I oversee all of the properties that we own on the mountain and in the villages. Okay. And this happens to be one of them, so I'm up here today cooking and training our team.
Very nice. I tell you what, boy, you're up here, you got the view, the setting, it's just, you put a little Barry White on.
Right.
This could get interesting. Right?
It could with the fireplace, champagne.
Oh, Chef Dave. Okay. So what's the one thing people should check out when they get up here and if they're looking for a good dining experience?
One of the unique things about the Alpenglow Stube is when you get here, if you come skiing or riding in during the day, because we are open for lunch 4 days a week, you can take off your boots and we'll give you fuzzy slippers.
I've heard about that with the brunches too, yeah?
And you come up Sunday brunch, we do an incredible brunch.
Oh, man.
The food is fantastic. Okay. It's reasonably priced.
Okay, excellent. Hey, can't go wrong. Great skiing and fine dining. 4 Diamond, by the way.
Yep, correct.
That means what?
It means great food, great dining. Great food, great service, yeah.
Pretty good, okay. And this is the guy doing it right here. We're going to have more on the way. We're going to show you some of that food and make some stuff here coming up in just a little bit. I hear the Barry White.
It's coming on. Yeah,
it is. Here we go. That's it. Back to you guys in the studio.
Looks so fancy in there. Did you see?